In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tickets in Zoho Desk. Navigating the Zoho Desk environment might appear a bit daunting if you're unfamiliar with it, but rest assured, by the end of this guide, you'll be able to import tickets effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to begin from your Zoho Desk workspace. This is the central hub where you'll manage all your tasks, and it's where you should be right now if you're keen to follow along in real time. If not, no worries. You can just watch for now and practice later. Now that you're in your workspace, the next step is to click on Setup or Settings. This section is akin to the control room of your Zoho Desk, offering you a plethora of options to tweak, configure, and manage your settings. Clicking on Setup will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various administration tools. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Data Administration. Think of this as the nerve center for handling your data. Everything related to importing, exporting, and managing data is housed here. Once you've clicked on Data Administration, it's time to move on to the next task. Click on Import. This option is your gateway to bringing in external data, like ticket information, into Zoho Desk. The import interface will guide you through bringing in your data files. You're almost at the finish line now. The next action is simple. Click Import once more. Here you'll need to navigate to the location on your system where the file you wish to import is saved. It's important to ensure your file is ready in the correct format, typically CSV, to avoid any hiccups during this stage. After selecting your file, you need to indicate what module the imported data belongs to. In our example today, we are going to select Tickets. Modules act like categories, helping Zoho Desk organize the incoming data vital to your operations. Selecting the wrong module might lead to data being filed incorrectly, so a little attention to detail here will go a long way. Now, once you've confirmed your selection, you'll notice that the import process is underway. Keep an eye on the stages of your import. They'll include several steps like pre-processing and waiting for field mapping, which might sound a bit technical, but it's essentially just Zoho Desk sorting out the new data to fit into its system. Finally, be patient as the system processes your data. In a short while, your tickets will be successfully imported, and you'll see them integrated into your workspace. And there you have it. Importing tickets into Zoho Desk is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Remember, you can always replay this video if you need a refresher. Thanks for tuning in, and happy data managing with Zoho Desk.